Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to take off the front passenger door panel on Jetta 2011 until 2019. It is the same for this door. So what you will need is some plastic tools to pry the panel to not damage it, and you will need a Torx head screwdriver 15, T15, and the other T is 27. So we'll have here some screws, here one, also here down we'll have another one, and here there is another one. It is visible if you go by the mirror. So just to, we have to take this off, and in order to just begin it, we need something that will go under, just to take it, make the gap bigger, and after we'll go with the plastic tool. So just pry it off gently. Okay, so you have some latches like this. When you have to put it and after to move it forward a little bit. Okay, so we have one T27 here. Because I have I have the T15, I'll take off this one. So this is simple screw T15. It is visible if you go down under the panel, you'll see it. Now I'll change for the T27. Okay, so it got out. Concerning this panel here, you should begin to pry it off here, and be careful, there is another clip here and another here. This one is usually hard to take off, so just be careful when you take it off. So you go like this and you take it. So one clip, the other, and here is another one. There is a screw, it is deep inside, so better use a magnet to keep it, because it can fall into the door panel, and if you drop it here, it is difficult to take it off. Just like this, take it, put it inside, don't put it under your feet because you will lose it. After, there is a cap here that we have to remove. It is held also by two clips. Oh, you have two pins. The pins go like this and the clips keep it up. Now there is another T27 here down. Just to recap, we have 1, 2, 3 T27. Here T1, T15. So now we'll take the plastic tool and we'll begin to pry from this corner. Once you took off one corner, usually it is easy to take off it completely. I think there is another one here, so we'll, just in case, just check. No, there is nothing here. So don't need to take this off, it is just hard to. So in the end, just lift it up, and that's it. So this is it. In order to take this plastic off, you have to pry it towards you. Begin with one edge here, usually normally here, and try to roll down the window, pry it towards you, and you'll be able to take it off. It is sometimes difficult to take it off, but it's doable. So I hope you enjoyed the video and it is helpful for you. If you think it is helpful for others, subscribe, give a thumb up, and the people will see it. Thank you. Bye.